Hello and welcome. Today we're going to open this. Let's find out what it is. So today we're looking at the Heretic Knives Custom Cleric 2. Oh yeah. Nice magnetic. Got us a couple stickers. That's the vendor I got it from. If you guys want to give him some business, there you go. Came with a nice sticker too. Appreciate that. Here we got the knife in a nice bag. Oh yeah. Comes in a nice sleeve. And there we have it. Custom Cleric 2. Absolutely insane. Was lucky enough to get number 10. Let's go ahead and check out that action. Oh yeah. Crisp. Very, very beautiful. Not too hard to do that. Feels pretty natural in the hand. Very, very beautiful. That's all I can say. That is Vegas Forge. I believe Reptilian Damascus. DLC coded. Thanks for opening her up with me. Hope y'all enjoyed.